have my kid now. Oh my god, you guys cannot believe that this guy cut my eyebrow. Like, it's so painful. I don't understand. Just have one long line. So I can't deal with this black hair anymore. For some odd reason, I don't know why I don't like it. Oh, my nail is coming up with stars. It's so sad. Yeah, so let's do this mixture. This is conditioner. So I'm supposed to pour this inside this and then shake it. Shake it up. Shake it up. I was going to like get some girl to dye my hair for me, only for me to ask her the price of her service. This babe told me 10k. 10k to dye hair. I was just there like, wow, look at my life. And I was like, okay, so if I have all the dye stuff that I want you to use for me, if I have everything myself, how much will you charge me? This babe said 6k. As you see me now, I'm looking for money. I've never actually made my hair for 10k. I'll not pay girl 10k just to dye hair. That it will still grow out eventually. I can't do it myself. I'll go and learn from YouTube and I'll do it myself. Well, yeah, I didn't even know I'm going to do this because I was thinking to leave this place black, but I don't like any black thing. I think it's because maybe I've been so used to my hair being dyed of recent. That's why I feel like me on black hair, not really. You guys won't believe, I went to see my uncle today. My uncle said, he was like, who is this man? So he looked properly. He was like, oh, it's Chuches. I'll suffer in this life too. I've suffered. But it's all good. So far, most everyone likes the hair. They're like, that you're always doing different hairstyle and it looks good on you. And I'm like, oh my god, thank you for the compliment. Well guys, I showed the process of dyeing my hair before, so there's no point of showing you this one now. So when I'm done, I'll get back, or when I have this on my hair, I'll just come and give a shout out. Everyone is like, oh my god, Uche, you dye your hair too much. That dyeing your hair can cut your hair. I'm trying to cut this stuff off. That was such a boo-boo. Yeah, like dyeing your hair can cut your hair. Blah blah blah. See, yeah. At the end of the day, it's just hair. If it doesn't grow back, what am I doing? So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to wash it off because my scalp is on fire. Let me know lie. What do you guys think? I know it looks weird because I look as if like they took my hairline. Actually they did. My hairline usually starts from somewhere here and it goes round like this. But who cares? It's going to grow back very soon. Oh, this is my color too. So today is Irene's birthday. Outfit, top from I don't know, leggings on H&M, Max and Spencer, shoe from Adidas. Oh yeah, I've dyed my hair. How do you guys like it? So I'll see you guys later when we get to Irene's house. Oh yeah. Time to go home. See how the cars are. Oh yeah, you guys went to see. I'm looking for our car. Excuse my messy hair. So you guys, my mom just got back and I just had to share this with you guys. So like when I was in Scotland, I think it was AJ and Nad. We went to Tesco. Thank you, Nepa. We went to Tesco to buy stuff. And then they picked up this cookie. But it was the chocolate one that they picked. And then they were telling me how nice the cookie is. That I should try getting it one day, blah, blah, blah. I tasted the chocolate one and it wasn't that bad. Then I went back and I bought this one. See guys, this was my go-to chocolate in school. I'm sure if you check one of my St. Andrew's vlog, you will see me eating this. Like anytime I'm going to the library, just stop over. Back then it was like £1 then when they were on sale, and then the normal price is like £1.50. It has been like how many years now? Okay, a year, and I've not tried it. And I asked PJ, PJ, please give it to mommy. When mommy is coming, say you can bring it back. Why is my camera looking so weird? Then I was now begging, because every time my mom goes with PJ to school, who's like, PJ, please look for it, buy it, I really need it. And now I have it. Oh my god! I don't even know if I want to eat it now or I should just chill till like later, then I'll have a bite. But I'm just okay. That's the end of this video. I just had to come on here to introduce. If you guys are in London, Scotland, England, any Tesco you go to, look for this cookie. It's Tesco Finest. If you don't find this one, the chocolate one is nice as well. It's yeah, just gonna try it and come back here and tell me how you feel about it. It's really sweet though, but I'm a sweet tooth, so you guys should really try it. I tell ya. Sorry for the quality of this video. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I can't even explain it, but yeah. Bye. Fine guys, guess where I am again? I feel like people are getting by this girl and Food Shack. The same way everyone was like this girl and sugar cane. I'm eating, sorry. But you guys, the food here, I don't know why, I just like it. It's really nice. And we just finished filming a video. This tea over here, Bookie and Bozo. I'm watching my weight, that's why I didn't buy food. I only have my cocktail. I'm only having cocktails as usual. And Bookie's having fries. Don't worry, I'll insert a picture so you guys can see this amazing. This is Bookie's food. But not finishing now. There's nothing to say. I'm sorry. It was very nice.